So for dynamic import, we have to go to advanced import. Then here we have to configure the servers. So one of the server is already configured. Like we have to put the credential over here, and you have to put the directory, and it will show the directory list inside of that. And you can test connection from click this one. It is successful, and when you click on list directories, it will showing the existing directory. Then you have to click on sync file, and it will showing all the file inside of this FTP data. Here you can see all the files, and you have to click separately, and same with the SFTP server. Like you have to give the credential, then click on test credential, and then click on list directories, and when you sync file, it is showing the file. And now you are ready to import. So here you have to put the name, the file name, and the model. Then you have to select file format, and if you select manual, then you have option to import data. But if you select like daily, then it will run automatically based on given time. And here you have to select the file name, server type. We are selecting SFTP, and you have option to select the server. And if you want to store the file inside the logs, then you have to check this one, otherwise mark it false. And here you have to select the file, like recently I created this file, so I will copy the name, and here you have to select the file. So I selected that file, and here there is one catch, like if you select TSV, then it is showing only the TSV files over here. And we have to put field over here, like display name, customer, and order line, and optional product line. And both field are one too many, so you have to click on this one, and now you have to add the field contain the order line, like product ID, unit price, quantity, and taxes. And I have to optional product line, product ID, unit price, and quantity. And here in our new tab, when I refresh the page, okay, I will remove this filter and add quotation. So here it is saying all records are created after this time. So now there is no records, and I will click on import file, and when you click on imported logs, it will showing this one, that this file is imported. This is the file and log and the time. And when I go back to over here, here it is showing the date. Also, it is added products over here, and Same thing with CSV and TSV. Like I will select CSV. Here the file. So when I click on import data and go back over here, here it is showing. You can see. Let us create it order. Okay, I will. And now I will select the Excel file. Like I will select this file. Here there is issue in this file. So when I go to imported logs, here it is showing that what is the issue. Like fill order line product ID record not found nested many to one field product ID with name false. So that's why it is not creating and you have track record of the logs. And when we go back to the imports, here we are selecting this file, and when we go back to our quotation, here you can see that record was created. So if any field data is missing, like if we have to create a order line, like I put it 5 over here, but didn't select the product, so this is required. So when you have a Excel file, then required file, if not available required field data, then it will not allow you to create record and it will create a log. So that is thing to remember.